So let's come over and have a look at the currencies and then the European markets. I'm going to start with Bitcoin, unusually. Bitcoin over the weekend came down and we've hit the 38.2 retrace fib at 31.42 of this 3 up here, the all-time high, as measured off its related wave 2. That can be, we're in the zone, that can be all of the wave 4. Okay, but the minimum you'd need to see taken out is 4,400 to prove that. So if any of you that spread bet it, it is potentially worth a very, very small position here with a stop underneath the recent low. And to keep taking stabs at that, the upside target is enormous, as you know. And even if you look at Bill Adlard's count or potential alternative count that he posted in the forum over the weekend, where the next move up is corrective, it's still an enormous move. So risk to reward wise on a very small CFD or spread bet actually makes some sense here in Bitcoin. I still personally favor that we drop down to that 2470 area. And that this small move up here is corrective. First level to watch, 3720. Start to get above 3720, followed by 3900, and then those are the first 2 levels you need to take out. Then 4400 after that.